Guys, something very strange happened after my first show today. Nobody was leaving the theater normally. People were celebrating outside, discussing, arguing, shocked, and honestly, such reactions are rare these days. So, before we start, let me wish the legend Mohanlal a happy birthday. So I watched the Malayalam version of Drishyam 3 and before anyone asks, this is the no spoiler. What a birthday return gift by Mohanlal to all his fans. One thing I genuinely appreciated here is you don't feel disconnected at all. And honestly, you don't even feel like the film released after 5 years. The continuity feels so natural. You genuinely feel like 5 years have actually passed in George Kutty's life. Like life moved forward, like situations slowly changed people, and this is exactly where Mohanlal absolutely shines because the emotion shift in George Kutty is beautifully done. He's still calm, still intelligent, still in control, but something feels different now. You quietly feel the emotional weight he has been carrying for so many years. The pressure, the fear, the emotional baggage of his past life has changed him not loudly, not dramatically, very subtly, and that subtle transformation makes George Kutty feel even more real in this part. Now let's talk about the director Jitu Joseph. At this point, can we all agree that this man is a bap of thrillers? Because what I liked most here is the film doesn't try too hard to confuse you. You know, those thrillers that become complicated just to look smart. Drishyam doesn't do that. The storytelling slowly pulls you back into George Kutty's world, and before you realize it, you are fully invested again. Now, something I personally noticed in this part is the cinematography. Guys, as compared to part 2, this felt like a complete different visual experience. And yes, same cinematographer, but the camera movement in part 3 is superb. The slow camera shift, the framing, the tension building visuals, everything felt so intentional. Personally, I'm not huge fan of part 2 and its cinematography as well, but part 3 visually impressed me big time. This genuinely feels designed for a 100% theater experience. Also, one thing I really appreciated in this part is the emotional transition of each character. Time has passed, relationship feels different, emotions feels heavier, situations have changed people, and I don't want to spoil anything here, but the way time changes people in this story is honestly very interesting to watch. If I had to describe vibe of Drishyam 3 in one sentence, buried graves are back in action. Some standing with George Kutty, some standing against him. And trust me, that one line will make much more sense after you watch the film. So did Drishyam 3 actually lived up to its legacy? Yes, 100%. And for everyone waiting for the Hindi version, if director Abhishek Pathak captures this emotion and tension, even 80% guys, we could be in for something really big in Hindi version. Now tell me, are you in team George Kutty or team Vijay Salgaonkar? And please, no spoilers in the comment. Please comment below.